Hi, welcome to this video on what to plant in July. In the Southern Hemisphere, we're still in winter, but there's still plenty of things we can do. So here's our pot, already full of potting compost, and here's our seed compost to go on top. I've got my seeds ready, I've got my seeds in their packs, and I've got bags of labels in here so that I can label them up every time I do one. The plan is to do one of these YouTube shorts for each of the seeds, and I'll be doing that over the next few days. Behind me you should see a table with all the seeds that are suitable to be sown in the Southern Hemisphere in July. It's quite a substantial list actually, so there's plenty for you to choose from. If you like, follow this playlist which is appearing on screen. Don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next one.